The unfolding tapestry. The camera slowly pans out to reveal a young woman, Elara, gazing at her child with an intensity of love that could melt the coldest heart. Those early days blurred into a tapestry woven with threads of sleepless nights, endless feedings, and a constant, overwhelming love. Elara's world revolved around her daughter, Anya. She sacrificed her dreams, her ambitions, her very self to nurture this tiny human being. Years flew by in a whirlwind of school plays, scraped knees, and bedtime stories. Anya grew into a bright-spirited girl, Elara always present, offering unwavering support. Her love a silent, constant force in Anya's life. Yet, somewhere amidst the chaos of motherhood, Elara's own needs were forgotten. Her dreams remained dormant, her ambitions unfulfilled. As Anya reached adulthood, Elara watched her daughter soar, achieving things Elara had only dreamed of. Yet a bittersweet pang of sadness lingered. She felt a sense of emptiness, a quiet yearning for something more than just being a mother. One day, Anya, now successful and independent, noticed her mother's quiet sadness. She finally understood the depth of sacrifice her mother had made. She realized that in her pursuit of her own ambitions, she had neglected the woman who had given her everything. Anya's actions spoke louder than words. She actively involved her mother in her life, making her feel valued and appreciated. She took her mother on trips, shared her achievements, and most importantly, listened. She acknowledged the sacrifices her mother had made and expressed her gratitude. She made sure Elara had time for herself, encouraging her to pursue her own interests and dreams. The tapestry of Elara's life began to unfold anew. The threads of her own dreams, once hidden beneath the weight of motherhood, now emerged vibrant and strong. She rediscovered her passions, pursuing her own ambitions while maintaining a beautiful and fulfilling relationship with her daughter. Moral story. This story reminds us that motherhood is a journey of profound sacrifice and unwavering love. It's crucial to acknowledge and appreciate the dedication, strength, and selflessness of mothers. Let's celebrate the mothers in our lives, ensuring they feel valued, supported, and loved, not just on Mother's Day, but every day. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there.